How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so today I am working on this television. This is RCA, and that's the model number. And one of the issues that I was having with this TV was that it's not really turning on, and did some troubleshooting. Previously I had an issue with one of the power supply, and there is another video of how you can troubleshoot the power supply, and that problem was fixed. And then now this problem that I was running into was nothing was turning on. When I was plugging this TV in, I was not really getting any response from the TV. So normally when you plug the TV in, you get this red light right here. So let me plug it in so you can see the light coming on. And there you go. So you guys can see the light is on right here. And normally this is kind of like the indication light. So if you look at it from the front, it is this light that needs to be on as soon as you plug the TV in. And this light was not coming on. And so my first initial thought was, hey, it could be the power supply. But after troubleshooting, I found out that it was not that power supply. Even if you replace the power supply, the power supply could be bad. I'm going to leave a link in the description below how to troubleshoot the power supply if you're having issues. But in my case, it was not the power supply that was the problem. So in this particular RCA model, or maybe it could be the same, on other TVs as well. If you're not getting an indication light completely, it's turned off, you're not getting it, it could be your power supply, but most likely it leads you towards this board right there. That is the control board, kind of like your HD, where you have your HDMI and everything. And this board normally goes bad, causing the issue. So this is the board that I took out from the TV. Right now you're seeing the light on only because I replaced that board, and that's why you're seeing it. But with this board in place, there was no light coming on at all. So now one tip I'm going to tell you is you can find these boards on eBay. You can go buy them, but you want to make sure you're ordering the right revision. So over here, you see there are different revisions, and you want to make sure you get the right revision, so it should be matching. So in my case, it's A1, the top number, and then the A1. So what I did was when I ordered that, I made sure, of course some numbers will be different, but you want to make sure the revisions are correct. And and that's pretty much it. So when I ordered it, I think it cost me like 30 bucks on eBay. And this tells me that my board is good, the new one that I ordered. So I replaced that, and now it's working fine. So I just plugged it in, and as soon as I plugged it in, I saw the light, and when I turned the TV on, it's working perfectly fine. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up that, hey, if you do run into that issue, not necessarily it's your power supply, it could be that board right there. Now sometimes on eBay you may find a package where they sell the power supply and that together, for a few bucks more. So it's probably recommended just go and get that as a combined deal, and just get that. But you may want to try it with that first, after you troubleshoot your power supply. So again, I'm going to leave a link in the description below how you can troubleshoot it. All you need is just a meter and a few small wires, and you can definitely check if the power is good. And if the power is good, then it points you towards that. And there are some other stuff on the TV as well, which is your backlight and stuff like that. And there are different videos that kind of shows you how you can troubleshoot the backlight. If a TV has a bad backlight, I don't normally mess with them. It's not worth the effort that you go through just to get that. It's a pain. It could be bad. These strips could be bad. It's just a pain to replace them, and sometimes it's not worth it. So those TVs I don't really mess with. In my case, I knew it was not a bad backlight, so that's the only reason I went and proceeded with this replacement. So Now my TV is up and running, so I'm gonna go ahead and button this up. You know, if you want to see how to open this TV, you know, there's basically, it's like a full panel here, you can see. And you know, I had to remove all these screws all across from here just to get to that panel, and then that comes out in one piece. And there is also this wire, which is basically the speaker wire, and there's this connection right there, which is kind of pinched under. I should take it out, but that also goes on the side, which is, you know, on this panel. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys, you know, what you can do to fix your TV. And this is again the RCA high definition TV. So hopefully this video helps you guys fix yours. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.